Huh? Are you a good boy? Huh? Shh. Shh. You're gonna get your treat up, say. Ooh, Charlie got tired of waiting. About 34 seconds, even more. Huh? Rex is just paying attention. Good looking boy. Huh? You're a good looking boy? Hmm? Can you wait for 3 minutes? Or even more? 1 minute. Now Charlie's sleeping, waiting. Huh? Shh. And I say, let's see if you could wait until 2 minutes only. Okay? Good boy. Are you a good boy?
I hate this game.
Which one? Now it's almost 2 minutes, boy.
Rex doesn't even want to look at it.
Yeah. And Charlie's looking at but waiting like sleepy. Are you ready? One only, Charlie, and one for you, Rex. Which one is yours? Okay. Ready? Take it. What is Biasada. Good boys. Okay.